nicknamed it the Widowmaker. I'd like to have it, but the others probably not. I'm going to have them sell that stuff, you know, just to be good neighbor Sam. And once I get my head around this, I'll let you know. And Philip, for your purposes over there, this is my 15 seconds, fame and fortune. And I'll turn it over to Mark for his 15 seconds, and then we'll get maybe Liz in there and Eric too. WA4IRE NX4E.
Okay, very fine, and this is WA4IRE. My name is Mark. I'm located in Port St. Lucie, Florida, on the Treasure Coast. And there's my 15 seconds, and I hope that's enough. But I'm really looking forward to getting the MP3 file and listening to how the R390 sounds. And Liz, off to you. For GHT, and loved all those phonetics, by the way. Lots of phonetics, WA4IRE.
K4, BKC.
Okay, I heard Bob out there. We'll get you in just a second, Bob. Good evening. WA4IRE, this is Kilo 4 Golf Hotel Tango, Keyboard GHT in McClinney, Florida. That's the QTH. I'm running Harvey Wells TBS 50C to V conversion transmitter into a Dentron MLA 2500 amplifier listening on a restored R390A receiver. And that, I think, will do it for me. So KK4 TVR, your turn, and maybe you can pick up Bob. This is K4 GHT.
Thank you, Liz. This is Kilo 4 Tango Victor Radio. My name is Eric, operating in Savannah, Georgia, Wilmington Island exactly. We're running 100 watts a carrier through an old ICOM 745, 10-cut Suntar linear amplifier, a higher ICM microphone, which is made for this old radio, running it through a center fed dipole, approximately 50 feet off the ground. And Bob, I'm sending it your way. This is KK4 TVR.
Go ahead, Bob. KK4 GHT.
I'm in Columbia, Tennessee. I'm about 45 miles south of Nashville, running a Collins 20V2 broadcast transmitter that's been converted to 75 meters, 40 meters, and 160 meters. And I'm listening on the Collins 75S1 with a dipole of about 45 feet fed with 600 ohm open wire. And that's about my story here at the station. And thank you for picking me up. Back to you, sir.
This time, but I'll get out of here.
I think we're going to go to Philip. Philip, I think you're up, sir.